Hi, I'm Sam, and we're here on the roof of the Black and White building in Shoreditch, which is the co-working space that we've been in for most of this week. It's a pretty awesome space, really lovely interior and whatnot, and it's actually part of a network of similar kind of co-working spaces. So if you get membership to one, you get discounts to all these other spaces. So it's been a pretty awesome place to work, and we're gonna leave here on Friday, which is gonna be sad. So the purpose of this video today is to give y'all a brief update on the actual development of Open.Player, the actual product development process. So this is going to be alongside our weekly update videos, which are going to be on Friday, and we've already made our first one. So these videos, the product update videos, will be more focused on where we're actually at in terms of development. So it's going to be updates about what kind of prototypes we've made and how far out we are from potentially going into final production run design and all those kind of considerations. And then the Friday videos will be focused on maybe more generally what we've been doing, the business side from Noel as well, and also the lessons we've learned, and that's going to be more of the focus. So in terms of product development, we're actually, we've just ordered all of the prototyping components for Open.Player. So all of the components are not just the raw chips. We've ordered them in sort of developer-friendly kind of packages, also referred to as breakout boards. And that means that the tiny little components are soldered onto bigger circuit boards, and all of the pins are basically really easily accessible, so it's much easier to prototype with than having to deal with these microscopic little chips. So how did we get to that point? First, we had a very general discussion about what kind of functionality we wanted the device to have. So how you would interact with the device, what kind of features it has, and essentially what the product is going to consist of. And then I went away and took the discussion we had and turned that into a very high-level diagram of what the device actually looks like. So it's the general component groups like storage and those kind of things, and how they fit in with each other. I then took that diagram and had a look at the more technical kind of components, which ones we would use and which one would fit our needs best, and then sort of use that to create a more specific diagram of what the device is going to look like in terms of the actual chips and the actual components and whatnot that are going to go into the device. And then I went away, found the right kind of components, and used that to order them. That's not very good English, but anyway, it's fine. So that's a very general description of what we did and where we're at in terms of our development process. So we're probably going to be making one of these every week on a Wednesday, and I hope you'll watch the next one, or like any of our videos. That would be cool. Bye.